So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to discuss about how we can use Python as a calculator. So before using Python as a calculator, I would surely like to introduce you to some types of data in Python. So firstly, I am opening my notepad, and there are some basic types of datas in Python. So firstly is integers. So integers are the simple numbers like 8, 7, 6, or you can say 1, 3, 9, and it goes on. So surely this is a whole number. It isn't a decimal. It isn't having a decimal value. So, and this is not even fractional. So this is surely an integer. What are the float values next? So the float values are like 7.8, 70, 76.0, 3.4, 1.7. So the difference between these this integer and floats are that this is having a decimal value, and surely this is not an integer nor a whole number, because whole numbers are only having are not having decimal values. Whole numbers are starting with 0 and they are continuing to infinity. So float numbers are these. So now what is string? So string is like any word, like Aman, John, hello world, world, house, and you can go on like table, floor, and it goes on. So I hope you understand integer, floats, and string datas in Python. So let me just take you to terminal. So for opening your Python in a terminal, you have to go to your search menu if you're in Windows or Mac, and type here PowerShell if you're in Windows, or terminal if you're in Mac. Now open your Windows PowerShell or any terminal. If you have installed Python, you might have been knowing that if you write Python, this Python menu comes. And if you've not installed Python yet, you may see my video in my playlist of 20 days of learning Python. So you could see that that is a detailed video how to install it. And let me show you how we can add any number in Python. So as you have learned in school, to add any number, you write plus, right? Like this, like the same in Python, we write any number like 78 and we'll write plus and any number. So this is a basic thing we have done in school also. So you have to write the same, and if you hit enter, it will throw the result as adding these two numbers and will give you the correct output as the number which we have added, like 78 plus 763 equals to 841. So you can type any number, and if you want to add with any number, it will give you the answers in just seconds, not even seconds, in milliseconds. So now how to multiply numbers? For multiplying numbers, basically you have to just write any number like 67, and you have to write this star symbol, and you have to write the next number. So now if you hit enter, it will show you the output, and this is the correct output of 67 multiplied by 56. If you're not sure, I will show you in the calculator. So as you can see, 67 multiplied by 56 is equals to 3752 and 3752. And now how to divide it? Like we have to divide 67 divided by 34. So it's 1.97 and it just goes on. So if you don't want this these numbers after point, you can just do it like 67 slash slash 34, and now it will only show 1. For example, 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3, but you don't want this point 0, so you can write 6 slash slash 2, and it will not give you the decimal value. So now basically you have seen in every of these inputs, you have seen this plus, multiplication, division, no float division, and So what are these called in Python? So these are called operators. Okay, so in this video we have learned how to add numbers, multiply number and divide it, and if we don't want the decimal value, we can also get the exact value in whole numbers using double slashes. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. And for exiting with this Python, you can just write exit, and this is closed by two brackets. And now when you hit enter, you will be exited by this Python command shell. And if you want to clear these all, you have to write cls in Windows or clear in Mac. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you later.